back! Back! Get down, get down, get down, get down! Don't move, don't move! Hi everyone, this is Sean. Please press a like button if you like this video. Please subscribe if not yet already. Please forward this video to a coworker or anybody that you care about that works in private security. If you have received this video, that means your coworker cares so much about you that they're willing to forward this video to you. Guys and gals, private security work is dynamic. You can go from less lethal to lethal in a matter of split seconds. You also have to be able to go from lethal to less lethal if the threat no longer becomes a deadly threat, but becomes another threat that's less than a deadly threat. Get back! Get back! Back! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Do not move! Do not move! Dispatch, go ahead and send me the local police department. Been involved in a defensive shooting. The suspect is down. Make sure that you also send an ambulance.